Hey everyone, Kelly here from Kellie Chasse Fine Art. Today, check this out. I'm doing a collaboration with Jessica Sanders. I am so excited. And she teaches on Skillshare. And she also has a YouTube channel and it's called Color Me Creative Art. I will put the link down below for you. I wanted to show you her new Skillshare class and I did it. I was so excited. So I'm going to show you how I painted a pear. We'll do it really quickly, and if you are interested in the full class, I will put a link down below for Jessica's Skillshare course, and you can try it out for yourself. So coming up is my try at the course, and make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to introduce Jessica, and she's going to show you how she did one of my courses. So check it out. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I have new videos every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you click that subscribe button and click the little bell and you'll never miss one. I do have full online classes. You can find them over there at my website at kellielinart.com, where I have over 2,500 students in 85 different countries and over 24 online classes that have lifetime access. Hi everyone, Kelly here from Kellie Chasse Fine Art. Today I'm going to do a little mini painting of a pear, and this is done by a Skillshare artist who is someone that I met online. Her name is Jessica Sanders. She is so sweet and I think you'll really enjoy her classes. They're very quick, simple, and she likes to explore, especially with color. So check out her Skillshare page and I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful little pear that she had done. So I have this one sped up, obviously, because I don't want to give you the whole class because it's Jessica's class, but I do want to show you here what I created using her wonderful tips, and she does such a nice job, and she's got some lovely music playing in the background. She shows you how to layer the pear, how to get all those beautiful colors in there. She sets it on a table, and she also does a little bit of splattering and then shows you how to add a little bit more depth to the pear, some darker shades, and does a little blending as well as a lovely shadow in there. And I didn't have the same exact colors that she had, and she said not to worry about that. You can use any colors that you have, but she does show you how to make this wonderful teal color. So I was pretty happy. This was a really quick one and it turned out lovely. So I'm going to introduce you now to Jessica, and she's going to show you the Udemy course that she tried of mine, of the turtle. So hi Jessica, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Take it away.
Hi Kelly, thank you so much for doing this collab with me. I am super excited to be here and super excited that you are going to be on my channel as well. I'm over the moon. You're a rock star to me, so this is fabulous. And I can't wait to get started on the project that I did by taking your Udemy class. And when I learned to paint this really cool sea turtle, yes, I'm excited. Let's go. I used quite a few different alcohol inks for this project. You can use the colors that you love. So I started with my turtle drawn onto my Yupo paper. I just used a pencil, sketched it out. I did do some erasing. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that or not, but that's what I did. And I'm using this brush to move the alcohol around more. Kelly was wearing gloves, which was a great idea, but I didn't happen to have any gloves today, so I have inky fingers for maybe the rest of my life. I'm not sure. I'm just kidding. Not really the rest of my life. Just maybe the rest of the week. And I put lots of blending solution on here so I could really move the ink around and create that watery background and watery effect. I had some lights and darks just like Kelly suggested, and this is maybe the most fun. I love making backgrounds with alcohol ink. Now it's time to move on to the detail. So one thing that Kelly taught in the class was how to lift the color off of the Yupo paper, and I had not thought about it before, but you could actually use a chameleon pen, a blending pen to do that. What a great idea. And so I really took advantage of that, and it made it super easy, and you just have to be sure and clean off your nib as you go because you are picking up that colored ink. But you can really get close to the white of the Yupo paper. So once we lifted the areas for the highlights, Kelly had us go in and add some color in, and I added a pink, which I later take out because I didn't like the way it looked. I liked the butterscotch that Kelly used much better, and so I decided to go back and use that. And a great tip that Kelly gave me here in her class was to not use very much ink, but to tap your brush off before you use it. And I kind of failed to do that sometimes, and I can see that ink really spread and move, which I may have gotten some larger spots than I wanted. But it all worked out okay in the end. I was able to kind of fix it up a little. So now it's starting to loosen up a little bit. I'm really starting to enjoy the process, and I'm dabbing in the ink and the color and enjoying the texture that you can create with alcohol ink. That's one thing I just love about alcohol ink, is the beautiful texture that you can get. And so it's perfect actually for this turtle. And so I just kind of went crazy adding texture there on the fin and around on the shell. It was so much fun just to dab that color, see it move, and really see this turtle start to come to life. So just a little bit more texture here and there, adding in. And then I went back and took that pink out just like I told you I was going to. I thought it would look nice, but I don't know, I just didn't like it. And I wanted to add a few more highlights, so I added that to the beak. Again, I'm using that colorless blender pen, which works great for this. I'm so impressed with that. So once I finish removing some ink, then I'm going to just take my little brush and go back and add in a little bit more, trying to be careful not to pick up too much ink with my brush so that it doesn't take over the little spaces. And then I want to darken some things up, add some shadows to give it some punch. Added some dots around the eyes and some shadows around the beak, around the bottom of the shell, and just enhancing some of those shapes that are already there. And added a few little dots here and there just for fun, because you know me, I kind of wanted to just splatter, but I was afraid it would mess things up, so I didn't. And then I got my fine liner out. It's a chameleon fine liner, and started sort of doing some sketchy outline. I wanted to just separate the turtle from the background a little bit more, add a little bit of detail. And then I also needed to work on the eye, which I haven't done yet. So I just darkened the eye, and then I took my Posca pen and added some little white highlights here and there. And my turtle was done. So thanks so much, Kelly, for letting me join you today. I really appreciate it, and I hope we do it again soon.
You are so welcome, Jessica, and thanks folks for watching. We really appreciate your time. Don't forget to check out Jessica's channel and subscribe to her page, as well as all of her Skillshare online courses. Check those out, and we will see you, or I will see you, we may see you next Tuesday. Thanks so much. Have a great week.